here's the thing, yeah, we started out friends, but this is not a Kelly Clarkson song and not how it ends. Oh, everything I thought about you was lies. Like that I knew you, but you were disguised. Everything I thought about you was bogus. It's because the both of us time to sit by. Take face and get out of town, and take the car you're driving and just turn it around. Cause you're a nutcase, you're freaking me out. I'm sorry that you hate me cause I just wasn't down. Oh, you're the devil, you're a filthy piece of trash. Gotta brush you off my shoulder, gonna let you kiss my ass. Diablo, 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 you're so damn evil. Diablo, 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 your shit is evil. Call you crazy because you're so out of line. I swear someday you're gonna freaking cloud my eye. Oh, it's your deal, oh baby, baby, that she take a piece of line for that drink that I'ma buy you. Oh wait, this song isn't mine. Uh-oh, you're coming unglued. If it wasn't so damn frequent, then I'd try to subdue. But you're a psycho, they all know it too. Can't wait until the day when I'm fine to rid of you. Oh, you're the devil, you're a filthy piece of trash. Gotta brush you off my shoulder, gonna let you kiss my ass. Diablo, 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 you're so damn evil. Diablo, 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 your shit is evil. Oh, and I will really wanna see you get help. I really wanna see you better for yourself. Gotta do what you will, but I have to say I'm glad you're gone. Now I'm thinking that you might not be love. The very first time you hear the song, but I did nothing wrong except let you say in my life. Damn me, you're a filthy piece of trash. Gotta brush you off the shoulder, gonna let you kiss my ass. Diablo, 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 you're so damn evil. Take the car you're driving and turn it around. You're the devil, you're a filthy piece of trash. Gotta brush you off my shoulder,